this is Michael from Nonstop coding tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use MoArt Video Story maker that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in the search bar type in MoArt. Alright, here it is, and before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this application. As you can see, it has 150 plus templates, free to use, create story, make it glow, add text, background, music, text animation, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that MoArt can create a stunning video stories and customizing your post for Instagram and Facebook. It is a super easy story maker with many different templates, text animations, and beautiful layouts. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so this is the home page or the dashboard, and as you can see, it's now loading. Let's go ahead and wait for it. So these are the predefined templates that you can use right away. So again, it can create stunning video stories for your Instagram and animated video. It has a photo editor, story and maker, which you can create with a full effect support. You can create a stunning and trending filter for your photo and video, glitch video, story maker for Instagram, and so much more. So these are the examples, as you can see in here. If you keep on scrolling, you will see more options. And let's just go ahead and try one of the examples in here. Let's go ahead and try the glitch effect. And as you can see, if you swipe to the right, you will see more options. Right, this one looks amazing. Let's go ahead and try this. So just tap and select a photo or video that you want to customize. Let's go ahead and try this. There you go. So you can also customize the text in here, change the text. Just double tap or edit the text and change it. Let's say Jackie Chan. And you can make the text bigger or smaller. So let's edit it so you can make it bigger or smaller. So it's up to you, and you can also drag and drop it anywhere you like. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put this there. You can also change the fonts. You can align it, change color, put some delays, duplicate, and so much more. So this will be the effects being applied, and I want to save this now, so let's go ahead and tap the save, and you have the option to save it as image or just a video. So since this is a glitch effect, I prefer saving this as video. Alright, currently it is now being saved, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to use this application. So you have the option to share it to your social media. Up here at the top, you will see this social media icons. So you can either share it to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it's up to you. So if you go back and try other things, you have the option to use other templates available. So if you go to my stories, this is where you will see all of your videos or images created. Settings doesn't have anything in here, so all you need to do is select a template you like and customize your photos or videos. Neon lights, they also have neon lights, and this is also amazing. So I prefer the the neon lights. Choose your image, and this time let's go ahead and choose this one, and it's going to look like that. So let's go ahead and customize it. So you can customize the text, edit the text, make it bigger or smaller, rotate it, it's up to you. You can also add music, fill music, or no music at all. And for the elements like these texts, you can drag and drop this anywhere you like. So let's just say that I have done with these edits. I'm just going to save it now, and just all you need to do is press the done, or if you would like to see the preview, it's going to look like this. So let's go ahead and save it now. We're done with this. In the formats, you also have these options. So depending on where you want to post it, you will have this ratio, aspect ratio, where you can use it. So save, and this time I will try to save this as image, and okay, so it's done. And that's how easy it is to use this application. So again, MoArt can create stunning video stories for Instagram easily with animated video photo maker. It has photo editor story and stories created with full effects support. It has a free creative animated video story. You can add music on your stories, splendid and unique text styles available to add on your Instagram. You can format layout for Instagram and Facebook easily. That's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.